Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Sabrina, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aminullah from the Faculty of Communication, CH Public Relations Department. I'm here to tell you about my vacation trip, namely to Yogyakarta and Bali. And here I will explain the comparison between the two cities. Before that, I will my experience first. 1. Yogyakarta. A few years ago on my school holidays with my extended family, I decided to go to a city we had never been to before. This time, we and our extended family chose Yogyakarta. From what I knew before I traveled, Yogyakarta is a busy city full of culture. It still has a unique system of government called the place. I also heard three are variation culinary that I can try. Long before the trip, I was already existed to go. Sunday morning, I arrived in Yogyakarta and went straight to my inn, which is located near Jalan Malioboro. And when I arrived at my inn with my family, tidying things up and resting after we finishes tidying everything up. The next Monday, my family and I went to explore the city of Yogyakarta, and I and my family visited Borobudur temple and boarded a rental car. After that, my family and buying a ticket to enter Borobudur temple. After I and my family entered Borobudur temple, I took pictures first to make memories. And after doing a photo session, I continued my journey to the top of the Borobudur temple, and I go there from the toll gate at the Borobudur temple that you should know were sold, and most were pant below the knee, and after that I and my extended family climbed hundreds of stairs to reach the peak of the Borobudur temple. And after I go of the Borobudur temple, I and my extended family went shopping to the market, which was in the exit area of the Borobudur temple. After I had bought everything, my extended family continued the journey back to the inn, and my extended family pulled first at the left-hand place to eat meatball to who are on the way the inn. And after eating the meatball, we can continue to the inn, and after we all rested. And then the next day, when I walked to Yogyakarta tourist spot, namely Taman Pintar, and I surrendered Taman Pintar with my big family. After I cleared the smart park, I continue my journey to Malioboro to shop and enjoy the atmosphere that afternoon in Malioboro, and there were split up to shop for what we needed each and return to the destined place. After getting back to Bredet Main Point, we all proceeded to another tourist attraction, namely the Yogyakarta Square, or you call it the Twin Tree and Tree we'll all enjoy the fun together and enjoy lesehan food in the square. And we were all with family really enjoyed the tour of the square. And after we all enjoy the fun in the city square of Yogyakarta, we returned to the inn and rushed to rest. The following days, we spent trying the food in Yogyakarta. My favorite is gudeg and ronde, which is a type of local food village with various flavors. And I also really like bapia. Bakpia, the stuff I like the most is the cheese one because I really like it. I bought 2 boxes of bakpia and then the next day all of our family rushes to dig up the clothes and shopping we bought to put in our respective suitcases and bags. And Tuesday morning, I and my extended family returned to Jakarta. I was free sad to leave the city because it was the best travel. This is Nation so far. I wish I could go back you to Yogyakarta now. And this short vacation is a very planned trip and is a very existing because this trip is with my existing family. 2. Bali. In 2018, I and my school friends did a study tour to Bali, and I traveled by land which was approximately 2 days, starting the journey from the city of Jakarta, from the place and the beloved school, namely Pandawa Budi Luhur. After traveling for about 2 days, I arrived at the Gilimanuk Harbor, and I arrived at Gilimanuk Harbor before I crossed my friend and rested and that pond. After waiting for the hour of departure again, I and my family waited for the arrival of the ship that took us to the island of Bali. And when we arrived at the port of Bali, then I and my other friends continue to the hotel where we all rested. After arriving at the hotel, we were all directed to enter the rooms of each group that had been determined by the teacher, and we all rested and decided up the rooms to be a speech by us for the next 3 days. Then the next day I'll have to get ready to visit Tirta Empul, and on each of our buses there is a tour guide figure, and he is the one who explains. We go to the tourist attraction we visit. Tirta Empul is a place of worship for Hindu. Tirta Empul Temple is a Hindu temple that has its one unique if you compare it to other Hindu temples in Bali. And before entering the Tirta Empul temple, we have to wear a scratch around the waist because the Tirta Empul temple is a place for Hindu to pray. So every place does have rules and regulations for Tirta Empul temple. It is for women not to enter the area because they are menstruating, because the east place is a place of prayer for Hindu. After we walk around Tirta Empul, we all return to our respective bus and continue our journey to a place, namely wasting a barong show. and we all continue to watch a show in Bali after we walked to Tirta Empul Temple. We all really enjoyed the Barong show and were very exhausted by the performers. After watching the show, we all returned to the hotel. When we arrived at the hotel, we all had dinner and continued rest. The next day, we all, along with the teacher, continued the journey to the Pandawa Beach. And all of us Pandawa Beach enjoy the beach atmosphere on a very sunny afternoon, and will having lunch at the Pandawa Beach restaurant, which is very beautiful with a view. The beach is very clean and there are many tourists around the beach, and many are taking pictures with tourists. This is Claude, my friend, who took pictures with the tourists. And after we from Pandawa Beach, we continue to other tourist attractions such as GWK, Garuda Wisnu Kencana. Garuda Wisnu Kencana, one of the famous tourist attractions in Bali, because of the property of the Garuda Wisnu Kencana Bali tourist attraction. Almost every day, the GWK Bali tourist attraction is always crowded with domestic and foreign tourists. And after GWK, we return to the hotel to continue of the final journey tomorrow in Bali. And the next day, we reach the Tugel Al-Afo belongs ready to continue the final journey in Bali. That is, we head to a very beautiful place. The view is Lake Batur Kintamani, and we'll all had lunch near Lake Batur Kintamani and took some space tour together with Bli, who guides us in every 3-day trip in the Bali. And the comparisons between Yogyakarta and Bali is these two provinces are favorite tourist destination for foreign and domestic tourists. The exotic beach in Bali, and then the tranquility of the city of Yogyakarta are the main attraction. And the food in these two cities is very different, and each place also has different manners. In Bali, we have to be more polite when we go out at night, because in front of every Balinese house, there are offering that are believed by Balinese people. If Yogyakarta is a Japanese society, they have inherited a polite attitude in communicating with other people, known as unggah. That's all from me about the comparison of the two cities that I have visited so much for me. More or less, I'm sorry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.